Molveno is a new collection that we're launching this year. We're really excited about it, especially for the hospitality market. It's a 6mm thick, rigid vinyl core ERT. The inspiration behind Molveno is really about a trend that we're seeing across multiple categories called the Great Reset. It's literally a hands-on movement where people are trying to get back in touch with nature. They're getting their hands dirty. They're doing garden boxes in their backyard. And that's really a reaction to all day long, all we're doing is touching glass. So with biophilia influencing a lot of different types of designs right now, we really wanted to bring that into this product line. Molveno has 10 different wood looks, a really great range of color from really cool grays to very rich warms. The woods do have the embossed-in-register, so that's where the grain actually follows the look of the wood. It makes it look very natural and realistic. There's also 5 concrete visuals in the collection. These are great for if you want to have that industrial chic vibe. It'd be great for lobbies, for restaurants, anywhere where you want to have that concrete visual with the cleanability of a resilient floor.